Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
My head like a baby bone dead. Destination heaven. Sick politics with passengers for
sick day. I a girl like me.
No! Holy crap, that was close! Holy f***, that was close!
As we parked and got out, she had gotten out and was walking in.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
The build's complete. It's a 2-day ship.
I doubt they'll send it till tomorrow, so it'll probably be Thursday. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey!
Du matin, il y en a un dans la gang qui s'est lancé dans un grand projet au cours de la dernière année.
Le regrette-t-il?
Il faisait dire qu'il aimait ça les pénaux, lui. La vieille maison à rénover.
Ok, Garmin, save the video.
Qu'est-ce que tu calisses dans un one-way?
Ok, Garmin, save the video. Okay, Garmin.
I didn't want to miss out on having dinner with them. I found stronger than ever before, but not as strong as I've been when fighting the spot.
Coming up in course exams, which Alex is going to be on this week. But I was looking at some of our GC material, and can we just kind of throw out a little bit of love towards BAM? I know sometimes out of sight can get, can equate to out of mind, but let's always make sure to keep BAM in mind.
Thank you.
And we are awaiting a Supreme Court ruling on whistleblower protections, why this case is the first major test of President Trump's power. That's coming up.
Okay.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.